My name is Mr. Timuani Selu. So I'm one of the patients from Tuvalu. I was coming here to BLK for my medical treatment. But I'm very happy to have Dr. Ishwar. He's my doctor at this time. When he diagnosed all my health, and he said that I'm going to send it to the MRI scans, and he found out that my previous operation on my both shoulder is my left shoulder is much more worse, and then he decided to make his very best for operation. And then he gave me two options. The first options, they're trying their very best to make a repairing, and the second one is to make a replacement. But during the operations, I didn't know what they're going to do. But after the operation, and then I found out that they are repairing my left shoulder. That's why I'm very thankful to Dr. Ishwar, because he's also the doctor that I met him, the way he talks. He's talk kindly and smile to me, and in very ways what he's talking. He's trying to encourage me not to get frightened during the operations. That's why, and especially also the time I'm being inside here, the BLK, I'm really happy for all the services that have been saved to us here in this hospital. Thank you very much for everything, but especially I really thank you to my doctor Ishwar for doing his best operation on myself. Thank you very much.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.